I'm beginning some inlay work on this front face and arch face of this dressing table, Hepplewhite dressing table. Yesterday I created a rebate, a 1/8 inch rebate on the inside edge of this arch, and it was about a 1/16 inch deep. I used a Dremel tool to create that rebate, and then I cut some pieces of this banding. The first piece I cut was about this long. I wasn't sure how I was going to get that bend, but I used a piece first about this long, and I spread hot hide glue on both faces of the banding, and also put hide glue into the rebate, and then I just pressed that piece of banding into that arch, and because of the hot hide glue sticking quickly, I was able to create that arc. So then I used some segments about this long of banding because of the quicker curvature here on the end. I used small pieces, but used the same process, painting a hot hide glue on both surfaces and on the rebate, and then just press that in to the shape, and it worked quite well. So I think I used maybe 3 pieces to go into this quick arch here, and it's worked out okay. Now this same banding goes right across the bottom edge here, right through even onto the leg like this. Then I'll create another inlay on this leg here later. And so I've cut this, I've again created a rebate in here, 1/8 inch wide and about a 1/16 inch deep. Some of that I could do with the Dremel, just the first part of this, but when getting to this area, I created that by hand tools, just using the 1/8 inch chisel. I knifed out the border, and then just cut down with the 1/8 inch chisel, and then removed the material. Also, I could use the little hand router to get a consistent depth in that groove or that rebate. So now this piece will butt up against the other piece here, and then go right into that space, and then after gluing, I'll cut that off. So I'm now also working this groove over here. Oh, by the way, well, you can see, maybe you can see where I've started to press down with the 1/8 inch chisel. There's a knife boundary, a knifed out boundary of the groove, and then I just chop this out and then use the hand router here to remove that material. This arch piece will be bordered in banding, and I have another style of banding here that will go around. I'll have to create a groove here. For that, there'll be a miter joint. Then this banding will continue right along this border. Miter joints at both ends, and then also down on this side here. So that'll complete the banding inlay until I get to the drawer fronts, and then there'll be quite a bit more of that